you're looking to get into pressure washing or soft washing, I've got the solution for you. This is the Tiny Thunder.
Dude, this is so sick. I can't believe this, man.
This is Heath with Texas Pressure Washing Store. If you're thinking about getting into soft washing or pressure washing, this is the rig for you. This is the Texas Tiny Thunder rig, and on this rig we have our proportioner, which is a metering system that allows you to select the strength of your chemical that you're going to apply. We also have a 24 horsepower, 8 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI Lifan engine, which is belt driven. Then we have a 12 gallon gas tank, which will last for 8 hours. And then we have this 12-inch Hene manual reel with a 100-foot, 3/4 inch flexzilla hose on it. This is on our aluminum built in-house 3/16 inch aluminum welded. And the shelves, we've tested them to hold 750 pounds, and it's far less on them. This is a 12-inch Hene reel with a 200-foot fierce jet hose on it. This is an 18-inch Hene reel with a 5/8 inch soft wash hose. And this soft wash hose connects to a GP red gun, which is the wash down gun. This is our 55-gallon chemical tank, your 55-gallon buffer tank. And over here, we've got our Texas Tornado soft wash system, which is two 7-gallon a minute 12 volts that Siamese together. So you have two pumps here, and you can add a second battery. We've got a no-code charger. You can see that over here. They're on demand, so once they see there's no flow, they'll shut off, which is nice. You got individual or both. In addition to that, we've got your tank lights. Standard on all of our rigs.